Hi there, this is Sergey speaking. So once again I'm in our assembly facility in Paris, and a quick update on the new batch. Okay, so we have all these boards as you remember from the last part. But what's cool, right now we have all the wires beautifully cut like this. So we have the long ones like L size. We have green ones of the medium size M. Also we have medium size of black and red for power connections, and also we have the small ones S size. It's yellow ones like this, and power connections this like the black and red, and so they could be easily connected whatever we need to do it. So you can see like we can connect like this, so it's really easy. And right now we wait for the modules to come and full packaging to come, and then we can start shipping our batch of the late 2022. So stay tuned, soon your kits will be delivered. See you.